So in this video, I'm going to tell you what your next project is going to be. This is going to be a Capstone 2 project that we're going to be taking out of Technical 101 AutoCAD 2022. And what we're going to be doing is replicating this project from page 445 to about 470. That's where all the steps for drawing the roof and all of that's going to end. Now, if you follow step by step, you should have, this is what you should have as your template file. Your template file has floor plan, elevation, foundation, and electrical. And under floor plan, you're gonna make sure all of these drawings, I put X inch equals 1 feet. After doing a lot of trials, I have found that what view fits here best is 3/16 of an inch equals 1 feet. So if you double click into this view and switch that to 3/16 inch equals 1 feet, it will fit the floor plan in here the best, right? What you're gonna wanna do is turn all of these into depth point layers or model space. All of the model space layer itself will turn off at the end. So what you're gonna do is at the end of this exercise, you're gonna turn off the layer model space. And that way all the purple is gonna disappear. Whenever you're drawing your cabin, you will be drawing it inside here, following the step 1 through step 17 or 19, however far it goes. Now, along the way, you're gonna be able to use your cabin symbols. These symbols you can bring in as blocks. So how you wanna copy them in is if I'm taking this window for elevation, I'm gonna say Control-Shift-C, click here, and when I bring it in, I will click onto my prototype page and I'm gonna bring it in with Control-Shift-V. So what you're doing is you're bringing it in as a block. That way it doesn't, you cannot manipulate it. Control-Shift-C, Control-Shift-V. That's how you will bring it in. Now, the end of it all, I have the prints of what the final product will look like. Now, you're free to modify it, but I can always show this to you. I cannot give you this file for obvious reasons. But if you draw it out, the first step, for example, is accessing these files, which are all under Schoology for you guys. And this file is not there, but it will go from step 3, drawing the walls, and step 2 is where you establish all these layers. Now, even down to foundation plan, and then for electrical, there's electrical plan that's in here that is not drawn in my check prints, but you can see it in the book itself, right? Other than that, that's how these files are going to set up. Now, if you go to your main file, your sheets are already set up, and at the end of the entire chapter, it will teach you how to print this out into PDF, where you're going to extract these sheets, and we're going to have a separate video telling you what you're going to fill out. For company name, this is where Cypress Falls is going to go. What we're going to put in as course number, which is going to be this course, Arc Design 1, right? And 3/16 inch, which I've already filled out, which will work here. So if I come in here, 3/16 inch will work. Any questions in regards to that? 3/16 inch equals 1 feet. And that's how you're going to put all your drawings in here. Again, you can lock your views after you type in 3/16 inch. You can use pan and use PS to step out of paper space. If you have issues with knowing AutoCAD, there is my AutoCAD worksheet, AutoCAD videos, which you can just simply follow along and you'll know how to draw in AutoCAD. It's just a series of 3 videos that will teach you drawing commands, modify commands, and then navigation commands. So if you need a refresher on AutoCAD, I'll play those, or I'll also reteach along the way. But that's it for this exercise. The whole point of this exercise is to replicate this entire project, and we're going to put it into a portfolio. All right. With that said, this project should have its conclusion look like this. Here's what you should have. Okay. All of this is available in the book. You can see this in the book, and all the notes are available in the book. How to notes also in the book. So please like, subscribe, comment below if you need any information. Thank you.